I've been around airplanes my whole life, been around aviation my whole life.
I got that bug at an early age.
I always worked with my hands. I worked on cars for a long time.
I was a little kid that got a train set and I'm disassembling them and putting them back together.
But I was 32 before I actually got into aviation.
I was a stay-at-home mother and I decided when my child started school I needed to, make a choice what I want to do with the rest of my life.
To me, I think this is a dream job. Every night coming in and just amazing.
Every day is something different.
I always wanted to understand how the airplane actually worked, what makes this machine fly 500 miles an hour.
I love aircraft, and so I love working on airplanes and I love being around airplanes.
We got the hangar doors open, it's a nice morning, and you see that plane taking off and you know you did your job.
There are people like me, mechanics, who put our name on the line, and we do it every day, and the reason that aircraft are safe are because of people like us.